That's from Aunt Kelly.
Oh, shit.
Aunt Kelly really wraps things really tight. What do you say when you burp? Okay.
Can you hold it up?
Yes. Right?
What is it? How the Grinch Stole Christmas.
Yay!
Ooh.
All right. This is another good one for us to read together. Your brother's awake. Kicking around here.
No, Daddy.
Can you get another present?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No, is that yours?
Yeah.
It is? We don't know.
No.
Show it to your
Oh, okay, let's see what it says. It says, to mommy.
Mommy.
Mommy. Hold on, oh jeepers. Lindy, can you go get that box on top of the big box? That one.
Can you give that to Papa?
Here.
Just put it on the table and
Put it
you
here.
get through. Okay.
Oh, thank you. This is to me.